What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Cen F450 truck on the table, and we will be prepping it to get ready to install it with the H-Tech custom bumpers that he has sent me. I will be installing the bumper at another time, but today we're just going to cut it out to show you how, guys, to install it. We have a lot more to install on here besides the bumper, but today we're just going to cut it out. Big shout out to H-Tech Custom for sending me these bumpers and the side kit and the grill. But today we just doing a cutout, and we're gonna jump into the video and get started with that. So let's move right along to that and get the cutting. Okay, guys, so first off, we need to go ahead and remove this body from the truck, which I will be doing right now. This off. That off the truck, move that to the side. Okay, so what you want to do with cutting these bumpers off, you probably want to have a X-Acto knife or a Dremel. I'd rather use an X-Acto knife, and what you want to do is you want to cut it right along the lines on the bumper, the front bumper, and you want to cut it right along the lines of the rear bumper. So that's what we will be doing today. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so we got the front piece off, as you can see. Now let's move to the back. Okay guys, so as you seen, the back one was a lot more difficult to cut off, but we got it off. So, got it prepped. We'll be installing the bumper soon. Do it in the next video. So you guys stay tuned to see the next video of the installation of the bumpers. Hey man, thank y'all for watching. Thanks for joining. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man, for more updates on a couple more projects I will be doing. But stay tuned for the next update of the Cen F450 truck dually, where I will be installing the H-Tech Custom bumpers. Big shout out to H-Tech Custom for getting these bumpers out to me. Hey man, we out. Catch you in the next video. Peace.